I'm Sreeja Vijayan, Technical Project Lead at Faces Technology and Solutions India. I have been delivering WordPress solutions for about 10 years and I have been working with Faces Technology for more than 6 years. I'm really proud to be here today because this is first time WordCamp Asia is happening in India and being part of it and sharing something with the community is very special for me. I want to take a very short lightning talk, but I think the topic is relevant. Let me start with a quick question. Have you ever built a website that felt perfect? But the moment real users started using it, bugs starts appearing, right? Today, I'm not going to talk something deeply technical. Instead, I want to talk something simple but important for developers, code quality, from a user perspective. Because users never see our code, they only experience what we built. Remember, users never see our code, they only experience what we built. What we call quality. We have all know about quality, right? When developers talk about quality, we usually mean clean code, coding standards, clear structure, reusable components, and yes, all of these are important. If you write any code, it should be manageable, it should be maintainable, it should be understandable by any other developer. So, all of these points are important. But from my experience, quality is a bit different. So from my experience, quality really means clear requirements, thoughtful implementation, stable user experience. So from now on, remember, quality really means clear requirements, thoughtful implementation, stable user experience. And most importantly, quality is not something happening during QA or at the end. It starts from the very beginning. Then where does the most bugs actually comes from? We have all seen this. Sometimes the requirements are clear, we build this perfectly, everything looks perfect, testing is done, we deliver it on time, but once the real user started using it, the issue starts coming in. Does this because of any bad code or any lack of experience or knowledge with the developer? No, it's not because of any bad code. It's because this is the real world usage begins. And most importantly, it's happening mainly on CMS platforms like WordPress. Because the reason why people choose a CMS or WordPress is for their easy content management. But in most cases, the people handling CMS are marketing teams, marketing managers, content editors, non-technical people are handling the system. And they don't need to think about the performance, technical limitations, designs, layouts, or anything. They only need to upload their content and finish their job. So the way a developer build the system and the way non-technical people handling the system are completely different. We have lots of real world scenarios. We have all seen this. Sometimes the users will paste content from Word, PDF, documents, or any other tools, and it has some pre-formatted text, and it will break the CSS styles formats of the website. Sometimes the client or the user will upload larger size media files, images, videos, even from the hero section to footer, and it will affect the performance and loading time. And sometimes they will enter unexpected inputs. They don't need to bother about the character limits or anything, and it will break the layout. And recently I had a situation like I had delivered one website to the client and they just open it on an ultra wide screen. And there are some animations, some kind of things. Suddenly few of the section started not functioning. It is because they will open the system on any devices we didn't consider. So the real question is, are we building for ideal scenarios? Are we building for real users? Let's take an example, a form. The requirement is simple, just build a form. But the real world thinking means we should ask questions like, do we need a spam protection? What validations are needed? What happens if someone enters wrong data? How we handle the data submissions? Because we are the technical people need to think beyond just writing a code. Yeah. Have you seen a website that looks beautiful, nice designs, latest design, smooth animation? But what happened if something went wrong? If the search doesn't work, links are broken, the users never remember the design, but they will definitely remember the defect or the frustration. So before building anything, we should always ask, who will use it? How will they use it? What can go wrong? If users can break it, they will. So let me conclude. Bug-free development don't come from clean code alone. It comes from thinking like users, especially non-technical users. Because at the end of the day, no one sees the code and everyone experiences it. So thank you so much and let's build for real users.